Okay, so we're going to start with learning how to create website designs. The first thing you have to do when you're creating your website design is to have your name, the name you want to use for your website. You can have a .com name, .net, .com.ng, .org, or something like that. So for Nigerians, I find this place better for us to, and like more comfortable for us to get our domain name. The domain name is the name for your website. So this is the place where you can get your domain name. You go to Q server. Just type Q server web hosting. So when you come to Q server web, ignore all this add-on. Ignore all this one that says ads. So you just go to Q server. Nigeria best rated web host. So when you come to Q server, you log in. I already have an account there, so I'm just going to show you. So when you come down here, you scroll down here, then you type in the name of the website you want. Let me try my name. So you type in the name of the website you want, then you search to see if your website name is available. Then you scroll down. Okay, so you choose either you want a .ng, .com, .net, .org. So you choose. There's a lot of web addresses which you can choose from. So .ng is available. That's $3.5 per year. Let's see .com. Then search. .com is not available. If it shows this red, then it's not available. Let's check .com.ng. Then we search. It's already taken, it's not available. So just check the one that is available. Sometimes you might actually have to change the website name to fit the one you want. See, this one is already taken. So let's just go for that .ng. I'm not buying this, just to show you. So this is .ng is available. Okay, so you just scroll down. Ignore all these ones. Ignore them. Just go down, scroll down. Then you click on continue. So now, when you click on continue, here it says no hosting. Click to add. Now, hosting is a kind of place that hold your website, where you host your website. So you really need hosting. Without hosting, you can't have a website. So domain name and hosting are the most important things you need when creating a website. So no hosting, you click to add. Then you choose they have different plans. They have different hosting plans, so you choose the one you want. This one is starter, business pack, developer pack, professional pack. So you choose the one you want. So you can, for beginners, you can choose starter pack. So you just click on order now. Then you go down. See, so you click on continue. Don't click anything here because it's a new one. So you just click on continue. Then when you click on continue, you choose how you want to pay, whether monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, annually, biannually. I like to go for annually, but if I'm working for a client, I like to ask them if you want it however they want it. So some choose biannually, triannually, so I normally like to go for annually. So then you just, if you want SSL certificate, you can get it here, but sometimes it comes with SSL free, but it's actually recommended to do this if you are doing for a client and it's a kind of big job. Please, you must always buy this. Always advise your clients that you want to buy this. So you click on continue. If your site doesn't come with SSL, free SSL, I will also teach you how to get it. So now it has a hosting now that you've ordered it. it now has a hosting. So you click on this one if you want it, then you click on continue. So now here is the checkout place. So you see everything here is 11,000 to blah blah. Okay, so you fill in your details, fill in all of your details. I don't need to do that. So when you fill in all of your details, it takes you to a place. See this place, you click on your payment method, back deposit / transfer, enter switch web pay. I normally use this bank deposit, so then you have to click on terms and services, agree. Now when you do this bank deposit / transfer, you have to message them because they have to confirm your payments. If not, you might have a waiting order. So you have to message them. You can chat them up through this chat box, or you can go to their Gmail support@qserver.net, and you tell them you've paid. So you get your domain name and hosting from here. So when you get your domain name and hosting, let me know when you've gotten it. So when you've gotten it, you can come here in this client login. Once you fill in those informations, you will automatically log in. So then you log in. So now when you log in, so yours should be 000 here. Then you have one invoice which will be pending because you need to pay up. But once you've paid, you have one. So then you can go into your website. So once they've confirmed the payment, they will send your login details. To your website. So once you've confirmed the payment, they will send everything. So you can log into your cPanel, which I will also teach you that. I'm going to be going into cPanel in the next tutorial. So here, see, from here you can log into your cPanel webmail. This webmail is like when you go to all those websites where they say subscribe to your newsletter or something like that. This webmail is what they used to send everyone messages and all those stuff. So here you go. So just buy your domain name and hosting and let me know. Then we're going to go into cPanel. Then after cPanel, we're going to go into web design straight. Thank you.